Hey y'all, today's video is going to be all about this 8-inch Kinky Curly 13 by 4 lace front wig from Original Queen, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this 8-inch Kinky Curly 13 by 4 lace front wig from an Amazon hair company called Original Queen. I already bleached the knots off camera. I didn't pluck anything because it already came pre-plucked and the hairline looks very natural. It has a 13 by 4 parting space, like I said, a frontal parting space, so it's like not a parting space like a regular lace front. It's a frontal parting space. 3 clips on the top, 1 clip on the bottom, and adjustable straps. It is big head friendly. It fits a little bit loose on my 23-inch poly head, so I had to use the adjustable straps. And I'm just gonna install it using Got To Be gel and freeze spray. One thing about this wig, like, I was a little bit scared that the lace wasn't going to blend with my skin. Because when I got it out of the package, it was like a little bit hard, but once I got it on my head and put the gel on and laid the baby hairs and all of that, it really melted like really nice. And it only had like a few strands of shedding, so I really like this wig. It's really soft. I love the curl pattern. I love the density. I'll put all the hair information in the description box below, as well as the link to purchase this wig if you're interested. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Look good anytime you step out of your body well nice and clean. Walk out from your nose, say you're hot, you tight up in your jeans. Thick, grown, black bone lady showing off when I swear me and care. Mommy, give me all I need. I can't check up on no man to see what y'all in there with. He better be a bumble fly, 'cause this your body they fit. See watching, come on closer. Me back to the bone. Pick up every gal and we turn up the thing, but boring gal fi go home. We stole it, we stole it. Yeah. All of the sex out. You're the one to explain. Your life is excellent. Come on, baby, let's go party. I'ma bring the Bentley around. best ride of your life. And I'ma make your love come down, best time of your life. 50,000 a night, platinum sweet, cause you're sweet and you're nice. Am I gonna leave you alone when you pose for your selfie with me and your arm? If him didn't love me, I wouldn't mess up. Come never see the use of a tail till it cuts. But I won't do that. Straight from the heart, I'm a meaning. All of your sex out. You don't have to explain. Your life is excellent. Come on, baby, let's go party. I'ma bring a Bentley around. Best ride of your life. And I'ma make your love come down. Best time of your life.
Nah worry, nah fret. No, no, no. Enough of them can't sleep at night. I'm a worry and fret. One bag of drink and a bag of cigarette. But me, I fret. No, no, no. I no need to worry. I clean life and pure liberty. Straight. I no need to worry. No crosses and not follow me. Ain't no, no, no. I no need to worry. And my mommy, I pray for me. Every night, I no need to worry. Hey, listen me, I no need to worry. So much I know, I got you, baby. And you don't have to worry, I got you, baby. And for you, I'm always ready. Cause anytime you want me, I'll be there. Oh yeah. And if your friends desert you, don't be scared. Cause I care, I got you. Ready for rise when you need me. Have the strength anytime where you need. End of the day, it's me and you, baby. They gonna say what they wanna say. Can't separate, can't get to nowhere, no way. You and me, together we not follow them, they must follow we. Are we a worry that make them no worry we? Baby, 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 I got you. That's right, and you don't have to worry. I got you. And for you, I'm always ready. Cause anytime you want me, I'll be there. Oh yeah. And if your friends desert you, don't be scared. Cause I care, I got you. Da da da, hey, hey. Give thanks, you know. Every day, hey, hey. We give thanks, you know. Hey. You spend all that money on your watch. How much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You picky with the shoes on your feet. But now pick and choose the friends where you keep. You now watch where you eat. When last you get a good sleep. The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings.